All right, Dr. Oz Hansen here. I got an Amana dryer. The tumbler stopped moving, so I knew the belt was likely broken. I took out those two screws there on top, and then there was a screw here, and there was a screw here. Disconnect this little coupler here, and then you can pull the front end off. And then you get down under here, and there's your belt, your new belt, which I bought mine at Menards. These are pretty universal. This is a 29-inch width dryer, but then you serpentine your belt goes, the smooth side is up, and then the angle, the grooves are toward the pulley there, right there. So you pull it through that mechanism there, and you loop over that drive pulley there, and that pale white one there that just serves as a tensioner, and it just rotates the drum. We'll have it going here in a minute. All right, just got this Amana dryer. I got a new belt put on it. We're gonna fire it up and see if I suck or not. Turns out I don't suck. This thing's fired up and going. Sounds like a champ. So, yay for me. Anyway, there's not probably too many repairs, household repairs, that are easier than this. So, if suddenly your tumbler's not spinning, it's a belt. Just put a new belt in. It's so easy. Hit like and subscribe, please. Thank you.